guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, in today's video guys, what I'm going to show is how to remove or replace the radio trim. Okay, not the radio, just the trim itself on Ford Fiesta, that including the Fiesta ST. If you need to paint it, wrap it with carbon fiber or anything like that, we'll show you how to do that now. So we'll have more than 200 videos on this Ford Fiesta. Make sure you subscribe. That way, if you need anything, we'll have it. Let us know if you need some special video about it and we'll try to make it. Let's start on it now. So the first step will be to disconnect your battery. And it's important how you do that. When you disconnect the battery, you need to disconnect the negative cable first. Okay, this is the negative minus cable, and positive second. And why you do that? It's because if you don't disconnect the negative and you disconnect the positive and accidentally touch it to the body of the car, you still have connection and you can burn the computer or at least the fuse. So we're going to disconnect the negative and the positive after that as well. Make sure that they're not going to touch. If you think they do, make sure you put a glove or something underneath them. Okay, and let's proceed with the next step. So now what you need to do, you need to get a trim removal tool. Okay, let me grab this one, it's a little bit better. And right here you need to come, okay, this trim will have actually, okay, 4 clips. Okay, let me pull them out, still holding quite a bit here. So you have 3 clips on this side, 3 on the other side. Okay, so let me start on it now. You need to pop them open and then it slides towards the back of the vehicle. Okay, and that's how you remove it. Okay, just like that. So next, 7mm socket. We're going to remove, okay, two screws here. Okay, one is out. Okay, check it out. That's what it is. That's how long it is. One more. You don't need to remove the screen now. Okay, perfect. Then you need to get your plastic trim removal tool. You're going to start, okay, prying a little bit here. You have a few clips. One more on this side. Okay, perfect. Now you have towards the top here. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute now. We have more clips now. Okay. It slides out. So now we can actually, okay, go ahead and disconnect the wires. And I won't be able to show you how to do that, but I will actually show you once we remove it, so you can see a little bit better, okay, what exactly I am talking about. Okay, this is the airbag light right here now. Okay, let me see if I can get it out now. Okay, perfect, just like that. We have one more light now. Okay, so this, wire, this wire right here, you press in the middle and you pull it out. Okay, now this is for the that airbag switch, and this one, you actually remove the whole switch. So let me show you how you do that now. Here you have a few things that you need to spread out. Okay, and you pull the switch. Okay, just like that. Okay, and you can see that piece is out of the way now. Okay, so now in order to remove, okay, the buttons right here, you have 4 clips. Okay, one is missing here. So you need to just, okay, start, okay, removing them, and I'll recommend using a plastic tool. Okay, like that, and you can help them with actually, you can go ahead and help them with pliers as well, because they're pretty tight clips. Okay, this one is almost out. Okay, this one is way tighter than I thought. I'll grab pliers and I'll come back to it. And okay, let me show you. I'll push it in. If you grab the pliers, okay, and you grab the metal things in, push them in, okay, and then that way everything will come loose, okay, and the buttons will be out of the way. Now for the vents, guys, we removed one of them. I'll show you on the other one. All we have is Torx 20, start looking big, and you're going to remove, okay, this bolt right here. It's actually a screw. Then you need to grab a small screwdriver, and you can see you have 2 clips on this side and 3 on the other side, but you won't need to worry about the ones on the other side so much. So you need to pry them open, careful not to break them, and push them out, okay, and the vent will come out. So now, okay, you have that trim piece and this trim piece out of there, so you can do whatever you want to with it. Thank you for watching, guys. You put everything together in reverse order, you took it apart, and see you guys next time.